Hey guys, it's me again, Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and I just wanted to give you guys a reminder. If you have not yet joined the YouTube membership on level 2 to gain access to my holiday sales planner, this is the perfect time to do so because guess what? Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Small Business Tuesday, all that is happening next week. If you don't have a campaign already in place, it is not too late. All you got to do is join the YouTube membership at level 2. Not only will you gain access to my 63-page planner for my Posh holiday sales, however, you also will get the exact email sequence that I mail out to my community every year. And guess what? Quarter 4 always launches my biggest quarter ever in sales. So I know it sounds like a lot, but you still have time. All you got to do is join the membership. I am there. I'm actually going live today at noon. So if you get this message and you're able to join before then, you could meet me live on YouTube and let me guide you down the road to a successful sales campaign. I know you may be thinking, but I don't know how to sell, or I'm scared to sell. Trust me. All you need is this email sequence, and it doesn't have to be only in emails. You can utilize the same campaign on your social pages, on your business pages. All you need is the juicy words to get people to buy. So get in there, get access to the YouTube membership while there's still time, and you, guess what? You get access to me. So you know you're going to win instantly, okay? I hope to see you guys on the inside.